Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Ride1Up LMT'D V2 electric bike. This model promises comfort, performance, and durability, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Ride1Up LMT'D V2 is designed for comfort with its upright riding position, making it ideal for longer commutes or leisure rides. It features a sturdy frame with options for both step-over and step-through designs. Powering the bike is a 750-watt hub motor that delivers impressive torque. Especially useful in hilly terrain, and it supports speeds up to 28 miles per hour with pedal assist. A 48 volts, 14Ah battery provides a maximum range of up to 50 miles, ensuring you can cover substantial distances on a single charge. For handling, it includes a Suntour suspension fork with 100mm travel, which helps smooth out rough terrain, although it can feel a bit bouncy at times. The Shimano 8-speed drivetrain offers flexibility. Whether you're using motor assist or pedaling manually, and hydraulic brakes ensure reliable stopping power. On the road, the LMT'D V2 offers a smooth ride overall, though the rear can feel bouncy due to its upright design. The front suspension fork does a good job of absorbing small bumps but struggles with larger impacts. The bike's handlebars are swept back for comfort, though some users might find the wrist angle a bit awkward during longer rides. Pedal assist is managed by a torque sensor, adjusting power based on your pedaling input. There's noticeable lag in engagement and disengagement, but it's manageable once you get used to it. In terms of battery life, the LMT'D V2 performs well, with a quick recharge process and the option to remove the battery for charging convenience. Ride1Up offers a range of accessories compatible with the LMT'D V2, including racks, baskets, and panniers, which can enhance its utility for commuting or errands. Should you buy the Ride1Up LMT'D V2? It's an excellent choice if you prioritize comfort and straightforward design in your electric bike. While it faces stiff competition in its price range, its comfortable riding position and powerful motor make it a standout option for urban commuters and casual riders alike. Compared to similar models like the Rad Power Rad City 5 Plus and Niu BQi-C3 Pro, the LMT'D V2 holds its ground with superior comfort but lacks features like dual batteries or a belt drive system found in competitors. And that wraps up our review of the Ride1Up LMT'D V2 electric bike. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique. Remember, if you have any questions or want to share your experience with the Ride1Up LMT'D V2, drop a comment down below. Your feedback helps our community make informed decisions. Until next time, ride safe and stay tuned for more reviews on Product Critique.